with a different fan. But in this video, something quite a bit different to standard colours that you'd usually have of a ceiling fan. We have here a chrome and dark blue blades and dark blue shades, that is, an Encon Apollo 42-inch something from September 1997, completely untouched since 1997. I've fully checked it over, there is not a speck of dust to be found anywhere on it. So this thing has been sat in a box for roughly the past 28 years, never touched, and has got into my hands as of a few months ago. If you look to my previous video of my National Ceiling Fan video day, yes, can't really talk, you would have seen this in its box. I had not seen it since I've not seen it in the box until I got it out only the other day, and I somehow was stupid enough to not notice that it said Encon on the box. So, 1997, brand new. I've given it a polish over and stuff before it went up, and kind of after it went up it was given a polish before everything was done, so it's practically brand new from when it was bought. So I don't think these are able to be bought anymore in this country, and as far as I understand, these are now sold under Westinghouse Apollo Elites now, judging by the design of them is basically identical. And I think yeah, I think this one fits very nice in the room that it's in. It's got lovely shades on it. I love these shades. It currently only has 2 bulbs in it because we've not found another one for it, and both the bulbs in it are different to each other, so we're gonna have to find new ones for those. But yeah, let's give this a little spin, shall we? There it is with the light. The lights definitely do look very nice on it, I think, so far, with the shine on the chrome and stuff. I think it looks really good. But yeah, let's give it a run on low. It hums a bit, but it's not actually too bad. It moves a lot because the canopy isn't flush with the ceiling, so it really does move a bit, which is something that I think should get looked into at some point, but at the moment it's winter, I don't think it's going to be used. That's it on low, it's pushing out a decent amount of air even on low. It's very nice. Medium. Gets slightly louder. But yeah, this was a Facebook Marketplace purchase around seven-ish months ago when I found it on there. It said brand new in box on it and only around £20 roughly. I was expecting it to be something from around the 2010s when I first saw it, and never expected it to be from the 90s like it is, but it's from the 90s, so it's kind of nice. A bit longer on medium. It's wobbling quite a bit. Get looked into, I think. And that one's high. For a 5-blader, it's fast and really pushes out air. You see it wobbling. Put it on reverse. Give it a run on reverse and high. Ooh, made some strange noise. Doesn't look as fast on this. Feel the air behind me now. Let it spin down. It's got C brackets as well, which I think really fit the fan rather than any other more like decorative blade brackets, I think. Turn the light on and turn it off at the wall. It's got a good spin down, but never been used, sat in the box for 28 years. And there we have it. 42-inch 1997 Encon Apollo.